tomato harvest, guys. Oh my goodness. And there's more coming in. The garden is almost finished. So today's video is kind of about the garden coming to a close and why that's okay. We got some interesting stuff to share with you today, so hang in there. So this is part of the reason I'm okay with the garden winding down. This is tomatoes. Those gorgeous heirloom tomatoes that you saw were actually trying to rot there. So I've cut them and cleaned them, got rid of all the bad stuff, put them in the pot, and this is probably my 5th batch of tomato sauce that I'm making from our beautiful heirloom tomatoes. And the size of this pot, y'all, this is my hand. It is probably about 7-8 inches deep-ish. There's about 15 pounds of tomatoes that I cut up and put in here today. We've been bringing in about 5 to 20 pounds, and that's a lot of variance, but about 5 to 20 pounds of produce a day from the garden over the last few weeks, and it's been a little bit crazy trying to keep up with it. We lost a lot. Like, we lost a lot just due to the fact of all the stuff that we were dealing with, and mostly all the stuff I was dealing with school, and you know, that's over. So now I can make my sauce. We've also had a fair bit of cucumbers, so let me show you what we've done with those. I've got pickles. Sorry for the light. Oh my gosh, the light's awful. So over here I have some more pickles that we've done. And then some of those little jars in the middle, that's our salsa that we've been putting up. And hiding up here behind the almond emulsion is my dill relish. I'm up to about 21 cans, I think, or jars of tomato sauce that I put up. So while we've lost some, we've definitely saved some things too. Let me show you something here real quick. We're also trying something new with the cherry tomatoes, which is we're freezing them. We're just like cutting a slit in the bottom and popping them in the freezer to freeze them. After taking away all those tomatoes from this beautiful mess we have here, this is what we have left. So, yeah, excuse my washer also. It's laundry day, and getting the jars ready. The canner's all warmed up and just about ready to go. So all I've got left to do today, well, this morning anyway, for this part of my job, is stir the pot. Smash the tomatoes. That's what we do. And anyway, that's kind of all for today. Hopefully we will be able to get outside again soon. But it's gonna rain pretty much the rest of the week, off and on. So we are just going to have to look forward to the time when we can get out there and undo the spring garden and prepare for a much smaller fall garden. Anyway, I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you see all the new ones. And stick around because at some point we are going to get back out and see the chickens and see how they're growing up. We're gonna see, I will show you what we're doing with the tomato plants that are still producing bukus of beautiful heirloom tomatoes and lots more stuff. Anyway, you all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.